We just wanted to make sure that you were wearing the right backpack because it says Clevie Nixon back there.
But Trish, this one. So we just left our camp after spending a 0-day here at the Piute Creek where it meets the John Muir Trail. See it back behind me. Gonna get going and try to do the 17 miles to get back over Piute Pass back to the car. After spending about a day and a half inside that tent, it feels so nice to walk around. And it's not a completely sunny day, there's still a bunch of clouds in the sky, but the weather's absolutely perfect right now. We've got to do about 3,000 feet of elevation back up to Piute Pass. And I think it's about 12 miles from where we camped. Pretty sure we'll make it over the pass today. But it's hard to want to do miles when everybody's taking in all the views. How do you get scared? You're such a...
You're gonna fucking put that in the video.
Done about 1,000 feet of elevation already, and the weather's starting to catch up with us. Feel a little sprinkle every now and then. Well, you can't see it anymore, but some of the mountains up there getting a bunch of snow. So we're trying to get out of here before we get snow. Well, we're about 6.5 miles in on our hike today, and here comes the hail. Freaking hurts. Yeah, it's just off and on. It's not so bad. But no more blue skies.
It's snowing on the pass.
And yeah, it looks like it's snowing up on the pass. It's completely white up there. Guess we'll see pretty soon.
Excuse me, young lady.
Ay, puto!
Oh no, Oscar!
That one you're on is not super stable.
Oscar just overthinks.
Oh! Right.
We're up at 10,500-ish. Trying to get over this pass. Here comes the rain again. Mountains are all snow-capped. Such a great hike. Look at this. You can't even see them. But yeah, it's snow. You can't even see the tops of those mountains. So gnarly. No, it's snowing. Oh man. Insane.